Artus3D specializes in simplifying the digital production process of orthoses and prosthetics. With our scan app, 3D scanning takes only 2 minutes. The 3D scan will be stored in the Artus3D cloud, making it available on all your devices after scanning. Artus3D offers an all-in-one software solution for processing 3D scans and designing 3D printable orthoses. Our all-in-one software package automatically proposes a design, which you can easily adjust to the client's needs. Our innovative algorithms will ensure a design with straight lines and fitting patterns. The finished design can be printed on your 3D printer, or simply order it from the Artus3D production facility. Our design is easy to assemble and fits perfectly. Artus3D also offers a wide range of silver orthoses. Measurements can be taken with our measurement kit to ensure a perfectly fitting and functional orthosis. Our silver product portfolio is continually expanding. Interested in making the step to digital production? Visit Artus3D.com and get in touch.